Welcome to Mumbai. This is Ark on seashore of Mumbai, whereas Lord Ganesha Temple at Shivaji Park, the famous monument gateway of India at evening, and just behind you'll get Taj Hotel. This is daytime recording. It's a natural port, and that's why I got popularity. Everywhere you'll find seashore. It's actually island. This is famous sea link of Mumbai, whereas Pali Hill area of Mumbai is located here. The other side of the sea link, we are getting into Worli area. Fantastic sea link. This is another huge bridge that is called as Thane Creek Bridge, properly Vashi Creek Bridge. Where I am standing, that is Old Creek Bridge. Just beside that you are observing vehicles are going on, that is New Creek Bridge. Whereas number of seagulls can be observed. We are almost at mid of the creek. This is the connecting link between Mumbai and mainland part. This creek bridge is now almost outdated, so kept reserved only for light vehicles, whereas whatever we are observing beside, that is for all vehicles. A fantastic grey white seagulls. You can observe variety of birds in Mumbai, because Mumbai is surrounded by sea as well as mangroves. This is another seashore at Haji Ali. What you are observing is Haji Ali. Just beside that we are observing Mahalakshmi Temple. Where I am standing, that was old sea link, very old sea link you can consider. The Twin Towers of Mumbai. This is best bus service. It's BEST. We are calling it as best bus service, having red color, running on CNG. We are driving in Dadar area. This bridge is called as Tilak Bridge, very old bridge, somewhere constructed in 1923. Whereas you can observe number of best buses here, that is for public transport. In Mumbai there is problem of traffic jam, was, is, and I hope will be also. Some of the solutions are constructing very long bridges. Out of that we are traveling on this long bridge, whereas you are observing fantastic buildings all over the surrounding. This area is Matunga area of Mumbai. These all recordings are of early morning recordings. To prevent sound pollution, obstacles are produced on both sides of the bridge. Now we are going towards Dadar side and Dadar TT area. Once upon time trams were there in Mumbai, so this area is called as Dadar Tram Terminus. We are there at Shivaji Park, now called as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Park. Whereas this is Udyan Ganesh Temple. Early in the morning, lot of players are there They are practicing out cricket. Roads in Mumbai early in the morning, so they are vacant. Sanyukt Maharashtra Sanskritik Dalan, a memoir of Maharashtra, whereas this is Swatantraveer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, memoir of great freedom fighter Swatantraveer Savarkar. This is fantastic building. This is called as Shiv Sena Bhavan at Dadar. Just beside that, you can observe huge tower that is called as Kohinoor Square. It's under construction. At another entrance of Mumbai, you will find this superb monument, a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, along with his soldiers to welcome you. And now we are observing Eastern Freeway. Whatever the bridge you are observing, that is called as Eastern Freeway. This is night view of Sanyukt Maharashtra Dalan. Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is state in India. This is map of Maharashtra. And it's well decorated building. Fantastic scene to observe. The script what you are observing is called as Devanagari script, mentioned as Sanyukt Maharashtra. Historical man welcoming you. In Mumbai, there is another tourist train that is called as Monorail. We are traveling through some industrial area, particularly refinery area, where you are observing this through monorail. This is the monorail, another, whereas this area is on creek. You can observe numerous mangroves as well as ordinary trees also. This is all refinery area observable from Mumbai. From various part, this tower is observed. Yet lot of mangroves are there in Mumbai and in vicinity of Mumbai. You can observe huge towers just beside trees and mangroves. This is all recordings we are carrying out from monorail. If you are coming to Mumbai, visiting Mumbai, then you must keep in mind that one of your journey should be of monorail. You can observe large part of Mumbai through monorail very nicely. The cricket we are considering as soul of all game of Mumbai. So cricket grounds are there, flowering trees, and the beauty of nature that is also observed in Mumbai. This is Eastern Freeway. Maximum that road is going through bridge. These are all huge towers. And now you are able to observe a dome theatre. Just towards left of the screen, you will find that dome theatre. This is the dome theatre. We are not observing all parts of Mumbai here. Only few parts of Mumbai we are showing in this video. This is all Mumbai at high from Monorail. We are carrying out this recording. You are observing now RCF, that is Chemical and Fertilizer Factory. This is view from Monorail, how another monorail is approaching. Very interesting and enjoyable journey, one can say, about this monorail. These are recordings in month of May. This is BMC, that is Municipal Corporation of Mumbai. This is formerly called as Victoria Terminus, now called as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, a railway station. This is GPO, that is Post Office. These are all areas we are carrying out photography. This is again we are coming back to Dadar area at time of Diwali. At night time these recordings are carried out. In Mumbai, various festivals are celebrated. Ganesh Utsav, Navratri, Diwali, where extraordinary lighting is carried out. Mumbai is having very high rainfall, and sometime, particularly when high tide is there, we are observing such incidences. This is the spirit of Mumbai, that we never stops. So during this rainfall also, we are walking through this water. Again Sea Link. Sunset is observed from Sea Link. Usually Mumbai is having very good haze, and so this type of sunsets are rarely observed. When haze is absent, particularly in last days of May, we can observe such good scenario. Some ship is there. Again another highway in Mumbai. This is auto rickshaw, what you are observing vehicle, and we are also now traveling through this auto rickshaw only. A road is going through mangroves. This is creek area, that is of mangroves. See, this is the inside part of this auto rickshaw. We are there on main highway, whereas what you are observing just beside, that is service road. This recording is carried out in month of February. Thanks for observing this.